Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make American pancakes. I hope you're going to enjoy them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification button. Thank you. For this American pancakes recipe, you're going to need flour, milk, melted butter, sugar, baking powder, eggs, and of course a pinch of salt just for that little added flavour. The first thing I'm going to do is just beat the eggs so that they're ready to go in the bowl with the rest of the ingredients and everything is ready to go. And I actually did that without getting any in the bowl. Eggshell, I mean. There we go. This is so easy. In a big jug, I'm just going to put the plain flour. Just going to add a bit of sugar to give it a bit of sweetness. And now I'm going to add the baking powder. Just giving it a bit of a stir around to mix those bits in. I'm now gradually going to add the milk. I'm now going to add the eggs. And lastly, the melted butter. Now I'm just going to give it a little bit of salt just to add a little bit of flavour to it. Give it a final mix. And that's it. Your batter's all done, ready for frying. I've got the pan up to temperature now, so I'm just going to use one of these little jugs. It's about 1/4 of a cup, I can't remember what size, but you want to make pancakes round about the size of a jam jar lid, and this sort of does it for me. Oh, they're a bit bigger than a jam jar lid today. It's a big jam jar. Doesn't matter, they all taste the same. You know when it is cooked because the bubbles will start coming through the top of the pancake and it'll sort of go like a crust around the outside, and that's when it's ready to turn over. There we go. There we go. There's one. Just putting it on a heated plate while I cook the rest. Well, that's it. The pancakes are all cooked and ready to serve. I'm just going to put a couple on a plate. That's rather a big one. With some scoops of ice cream. Ooh. There we go. Two. And another one. Need muscles for this. Right. A few blueberries. only to make it look healthy. There we go. A bit of cream. Some caramel sauce. Just for an extra bit of luxury. I'm now going to enjoy mine. I hope you enjoy yours too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again next time. And don't forget to click that little notification button. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, that's good.
The dog agrees.
Why do I always like the things that are bad for me? Oh.
See, these are the perks of staff meetings with Cooking with Candy.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Take your mask off the table.
Oh yeah.
Not better without her.
Yeah, true. My coronavirus mask.
Yeah, because you got quarantined.
I'm still traumatised.
That could only happen to you.
Wouldn't it? Isn't it? This stuff only happens to me.
Oh god, these are good.
There are more.
My first American pancake.
Yeah, there's more pancakes.